It's raining outside. The puddle is starting, goes all the way to the corner, and is fairly deep. Hi, I'm Stephanie Enderby. I'm a high school teacher here in room A110, and when it rains, it comes in through the floor. It's right here, right by the door. So every time that it rains, I have to look here to make sure that it's not coming in through the floor. And if it does, then I need to ask students to remain in their desks. I need to stop my teaching, stop their learning. I need to call the office and ask for somebody to come and clean up the mess, which once they get here, stops my teaching, stops their learning. And then we need to keep monitoring it throughout the day to make sure that the rain does not continue to come through, and hope that it doesn't.